Hello everyone, welcome to online maths classes. In previous video, we did up to fourth problem in exercise 4.2. Now in this video, we are going to solve from fifth problem. So fifth one is, in the given figure, angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. Angle PQR, this is the PQR, equal to angle PRQ. PRQ, these two are equal. Then prove that angle PQS equal to PRT. What we have to prove? Angle PQS, this angle, equal to angle PRT. PRT, this. You have to prove these two are equal. So what is given? So in triangle PQR, the triangle PQR, angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. This is given. Okay, you have to prove this. So here these two are linear pair, and these two are also linear pair. Okay, so angle PQS plus angle PQR equal to 180 degrees. Since linear pair, these two are linear pair, since the two angles are on a straight line. And also here also these two angles are lies on a straight line. Therefore these two are also linear pair. So therefore angle QRP plus angle PRT equal to 180 degrees, since the same linear pair. So by observing these two, let it be first equation and it is the second. From 1 and 2, these two have same in RHS, therefore LHS should be equal. That is angle PQS plus angle PQR equal to angle QRP plus angle PRT. Here we know that angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. PQR equal to angle PRQ. PRQ or QRP, both are same. So these two are equal. That is given in the problem. That is given. Therefore these two are cancelled. Therefore angle PQS equal to angle PRT, that you have to write, since angle PQR equal to angle QRP. Why we cancel this? Since these two are equal, that's why we cancel this. So remaining are angle PQS equal to angle PRT. So what is the question? Angle PQS equal to angle PRT. So we got same angle PQS equal to PRT. Okay, next sixth one is, in the given figure, if x plus y equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. So this is O. So what is given? X plus y equal to w plus z. Then you have to prove AOB is a line. So what is given here? In the figure, x plus y equal to w plus z. Okay, so I am writing x plus y plus w plus z equal to 360 degrees. x plus y plus w plus z. So angle around a point. Angle around a point is 360 degrees. So and we know that x plus y equal to w plus z. Therefore, instead of x plus y, I am writing w plus z. Or we can write instead of y plus z, we can write x plus y. So that is x plus y plus w plus z equal to x plus y equal to 360 degrees. So x plus x 2x, y plus y 2y equal to 360 degrees. Taking 2 as common, x plus y equal to 360 degrees. X plus y equal to 360 by 2. 2 1s are 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 0. X plus y equal to 180 degrees. So here, what we got? Sum of these two angles is 180 degrees. So here, x plus y equal to 180 means w plus z is also 180. That means it is also 180 degrees. And it is also 180 degrees. So here, x plus y equal to 180 means these two are linear pair. These two are linear pair. Means AOB is a line. Therefore, x comma y are linear pair. Therefore, AOB is a line. Okay. So next, seventh one is in the given figure, PQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to PQ. OR is perpendicular to PQ. OS is another ray lying between OP and OR. OS ray is lying between OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS equal to angle ROS. ROS, this angle equal to half of angle QOS minus POS. This minus this. Okay, half of QOS minus POS equal to this ROS. Okay, so let us see. So what are given? So from figure, PQ is perpendicular to OR and OS is lies between PO and OR. OPR or whatever. So here OR is perpendicular to PQ. It means, so this is QOR is 90 degrees. Okay. So if it is perpendicular, it is 90, it should be 90. So these two are, if it is perpendicular, if this line is perpendicular to this line, so it is 90 degrees. So it should be 90. These two are 90 plus 90, 180 linear pair. And these two are equal. Why? Because it is 90 and it is also 90 degrees. Therefore, angle POR equal to angle QOR. And this equal to 90 degrees. Angle POR. This POR I am writing as POS plus ROS. So this angle I am writing as sum of these two angles. Sum of these two angles, that equal to angle POR. So that is POR equal to angle POS plus angle ROS equal to QOR. It is as it is. No need to write equal to 90 again. So and add angle ROS on both sides. So adding this ROS on both sides. So it will become angle POS plus angle ROS, adding again this angle ROS equal to angle QOR plus angle ROS. This is same. So again added angle ROS on both sides. Next, angle POS, angle ROS plus angle ROS. This is 2 angle ROS equal to angle QOR plus ROS. See here, angle QOR plus angle ROS. Sum of these two, this plus this. So that equal to angle QOS. So sum of these two equal to angle QOS. Here 2 into angle ROS equal to angle QOS, taking right side, minus angle POS. Taking this into to right side, it will become angle ROS equal to 1 by 2. Into 2 will become 1 by 2. Same as it is. Angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay. So this is asked in the question. So that is ROS equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay. Just here, what we did, we written this equal to this, that is angle POR equal to QOR 90 degrees, and it is also 90 degrees because it is the perpendicular that is given in the question. Okay. So and this left side POR I written sum of these two, and right side same as this QOR, and added ROS on both sides. So it is same and it is also same, added ROS on both sides. ROS plus ROS, 2 ROS. So POS as it is. QOR plus ROS, QOR plus ROS. Sum of these two equal to, we can write QOS. This taken right side, it will become minus POS, remaining same. Into 2, taking right side, so it will become 1 by 2. So this is asked in the question. Okay. So next, 8th one is, okay, 8th problem. It is given that angle XYZ equals 64 and XY is produced to point P. A ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. Draw a figure from the given information. Find angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. So first of all, you have to draw by using this information. Okay, let us see. It is given that angle XYZ equal to 64. So what is in the middle? Y. It is Y. Let it be X, Z it is. So how much it is? 64 degrees. And XY is produced to point P. XY is produced to point P. A ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. ZYP. YQ is bisecting this angle. YQ. This is YQ. Bisects means it is divided into two equal parts. These two are equal. these two angles are equal. Bisects means YQ bisects angle ZYP. It means this ray divide this angle into two equal parts. Draw a figure from this information and find XYQ. What you have to find? XYQ. You have to find this angle. This angle you have to find. And reflex of QYP. QYP. Reflex of QYP means you have to find this angle. This is Y. So from figure angle XYZ equal to 64 degrees and YQ. So YQ bisects angle ZYP. YQ bisects ZYP. Therefore it bisects means angle PQ equal to ZYQ. Therefore angle PYQ equal to angle ZYQ. PYQ, this angle equal to ZYQ, this angle. These two angles are equal. Let it be X degrees. Okay, so here by observing these three angles are on the straight line because XY is produced to P, so it means XYP is a straight line. Therefore angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ plus angle QYP equal to 180 degrees. Just this is a line. These three are angles on a line. Therefore sum of these three angles equal to 180. Sum of these three angles equal to I written 180. Okay. XYZ angle XYZ equal to 64 degrees plus ZYQ equal to X plus QYP. PYQ or QYP both are same, equal to X equal to 180 degrees. X plus X 2X equal to 180, transposing right side minus 64. 2X equal to 180 minus 64, 116. X equal to 116 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are and 2 8s are. X equal to 58 degrees. It means therefore angle PYQ equal to ZYQ equal to 58 degrees. Next, what you have to find? Find angle XYQ. Angle XYQ equal to can write XYZ plus ZYQ. Sum of these two angles equal to this angle. So therefore angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ, that equals XYZ is 64 degrees plus ZYQ. What is the ZYQ? 58. That equals angle XYQ equal to 122. So next, second one is reflex QYP. So reflex angle of QYP is this total. So simply this total. Okay. reflex angle QYP. QYP equal to, how can you find? This is the straight line, so it is 180 degrees. It is a angle on straight line, it is 180 plus XYZ, it is 64 plus ZYQ 58. So that is angle PYX plus angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ that equal 180 degrees PYX straight line plus XYZ 64 plus ZYQ 58. So 58 degrees, that equals 58 plus 64 122, 122 plus 180, so that is 302 degrees. So this is reflex angle QYP equal to 302 degrees. So this is the last problem in this exercise. So by this problem we completed exercise 4.2. So I think all you are following my classes. If you want to get free videos, you have to subscribe our channel. Thank you one and all.